we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it's all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. Also, the 3 kids books. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And also, those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And overall, the market is flat. We do have a few altcoins that are pumping. Now, we had the news yesterday. I did a video last night. JP Morgan giving access to the crypto fund. And we know Jamie Dimon has talked down on Bitcoin on several occasions, just like all the billionaires, but we know behind the curtain they're buying. Now, we also have Ethereum. As Bitcoin recovered, Ethereum recovered a little. The Ethereum upgrade is right around the corner. Now, guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. Very important. We know on the weekend we are the only game in town, but we're not getting what? We're not getting anything from the actual stable coins. So volume, Tether, USDC. When we receive that dip, guys, you cannot be afraid to buy on those dips. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice, but please do your own research. You cannot be afraid to buy those dips. That's the volatility you want. We know these cryptos are not going anywhere. They make higher lows, but they're not going anywhere. So with any crypto or any stock, you have to do your research and find that trading range. Next week, we know we have futures and options. So we know we're going to move down a little. Remember, open interest wasn't great. So that means we should not be taking a big dip. But we also have the Fed speaking around that same time. So the Fed is going to let us know which way cryptos and stocks are going to be going. Do not forget to pay attention to the actual Fed app, guys. So make sure you understand they're manipulating the yield. Hundreds of billions of dollars, over 800 billion on a daily basis now. So we know when they went back daily, it was like 1 billion, then it went to 5, then 10, 50, 100. They went all the way up to $1 trillion, guys. So it's definitely amazing what we can actually see what they're doing. They're not lying about anything. But the fact is, because the masses don't understand finances, this is how they get away with it. But also, guys, a few of the actual altcoins that are actually pumping. We have Axie Infinity. That's what I put in my Patreon. We know how big gaming is going to be. And then also, if you attach to Asia, it's going to be big, guys. Billions of people over there. And then we had Stacks Rally reveals plans to bring DeFi to Bitcoin. But let's get over into a little crypto news, guys. We have Sailor Network launches C-Bridge mainnet, promises multi-chain compatibility. Guys, interoperability is so important to this space. If you can't do it, you're not going to make it. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. Now we have Amazon is looking to hire a digital currency lead. But guys, we know when it comes to these big corporations, just imagine when Amazon gets its own crypto attached to the central bank stablecoin, Amazon is going to automatically be able to send you out goods. This is the reason why the cloud is so important, because guys, we're creatures of habit. They know what and when you're going to buy, so they're going to automatically send it out to you. And because they'll have that crypto, while they'll be able to automatically take the money out. Now we have Reddit is scaling its 2 Ethereum-based tokens using Layer 2 solution Arbitrum. And these Layer 2 solutions are so important to Ethereum. It helps with scaling and fees. Now we have BankProv launches payments network for crypto customers. Also, we have Zip plans to offer crypto trading in Australia and the United States within the next 12 months. And guys, we see a lot of these corporations and banks get into crypto trading. Why? Because it's fee-based. They're going to make money regardless. Same thing what happens with your banks. Exchanges are nothing but banks. They know it's billions and billions of dollars in fee money to be made. Now we have NatWest cuts payments channel to Binance. And we don't see any regulation going against Binance, but they come out and say regulatory concerns. That's the reason why we know it's an agenda. Nobody made them do this. They chose to do that themselves. Binance, just like Ripple, is just being used as a movie, guys, to bring in that regulation. Now we have Nigeria to pilot central bank digital currency in October. And guys, we know the emerging markets are leading us into the actual fourth industrial revolution. Also, we have KFC Korea and Triumph X Marketplace signs deal to develop NFT content. And we see how NFTs have definitely helped with adoption. Majority of people do not know what a non-fungible token is, but they've definitely heard of it because it's constantly being pushed by the media, actors, actresses, athletes, just like Dogecoin, and it's definitely working. And lastly, guys, we have Coinbase and top executives face securities class action over NASDAQ listing. And the day Coinbase listed, it was about $429. It did a direct listing, and the big boys sold, leaving who holding the bag? That's right. But guys, Coinbase is definitely going to go back up, but we know we're going to hit that Dow turn. There's going to be some pain, guys. We have all these people that's going to be out of work. We know the New World Order solution is bringing all this technology. It's definitely moving fast, guys. Get your friends and family educated. It's so important. But that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Also, the 3 kids books. And if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel, Cryptoteacher stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, got their own stocks, the C-word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Drama Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Drama Tam Team, Save New York. From COVID Stories 3, Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.